Hey there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. We are back with another haul video. I think I mentioned in my previous haul that I wanted to do a haul, all the things that I brought while I was self-isolating with COVID, and I went pretty crazy because I was upset, and retail therapy was the only thing getting me through. It took a bit of time for some things to come, which is why I'm filming it super late, but I brought a lot of things from ASOS, so I'm just gonna start with them. I'll probably just start off with the clothes that I got. I picked up this really cute black and white cardigan. So it looks like this, and it has like, I actually don't know what this pattern is called, but it's really cute. It just reminds me of David Jones, to be honest. But it's got like a little balloon sleeve, and then it's ribbed at the end, and it has pretty black buttons down the middle, and then the bottom kind of curves, which I think is like really adorable. It's super cute. I love crop cardigans because I feel like you can wear them as tops or outer garments, which is really cute. I also picked up this like beige t-shirt. I actually bought two t-shirts, but I returned one of them because I hated the fit. But I was also going to return this one because it wasn't really the color that I wanted, but I actually liked how it looked on, because it has like these 3 straps at the top here, and it kind of like makes it drape nicely on your shoulders, whereas the other one kind of like made me look really boxy. But it's really cute, just like a nice Adidas top. The other one actually matched these shorts, like I bought them to wear together, but then it just looked horrendous, so I returned it. But I bought these really cute Adidas shorts, and it's just got like the nice ribbed drawstring at the top, and then the cute little Adidas logo at the bottom. I wanted a top in this color to match so I could wear them together, but fortunately it looked ugly, so I returned it. And the last kind of clothing piece that I picked up from ASOS is this cute white dress. I always buy white dresses because I feel like I'll wear them like casually, but I never end up wearing them casually. But this one's, I probably could. It's just like a really cute puffy sleeve white dress, and then you tie it at the back, so it has like these little strings that you tie at the back, and then it's got like a cutout on the side. It's really like puffy and cute, which I like. But yeah, it's really adorable. So those were the kind of clothing pieces that I got. I also did pick up like I picked up one bag from ASOS, which is this one over here. It's like a really cute, fluffy, just square shaped white bag with a gold chain. It has 2 chains, so one that I can wear like crossbody, and then one that just like you can hold with your arm. It's really cute. Picked that one up, which is really adorable. But I did also get another one from Charles and Keith. So it's this bag over here. I think I saw someone wearing it and I thought it was really cute, so I just picked up the same one. But it's just this like gorgeous olivey green shade, and it has like tweed, which I love. There's like a lot of kind of colors in it. There's like grey, beige, like a copper. It's really cute. And this one has like, interestingly enough, like a 2-toned hardware chain, so it's got silver and gold, and I normally hate mixing hardwares, but because it's built like that, I'm fine with it. But when it's like this, you can wear it crossbody, but you can actually like kind of change the straps, so you can wear it like on the shoulder. I kind of can't be stopped changing it now, but when I insert my try on clip, I'll show you guys what it looks like when you wear it just like on the shoulder. And yeah, it's really cute. It's just like a little semicircle banana shape. I love it. It's adorable. I don't have any bags that look like this. Super adorable. I also did pick up a whole bunch of shoes. Most of them are from ASOS, but I have one that's not from ASOS. But I picked up these gorgeous black loafers. They're like a little bit of a chunky loafer, and then they've got this silver detailing at the front. I kind of like the like Prada loafers, but those ones are really chunky, and these were kind of like similar to it, but not as big and as chunky. But I was like, these will do for now. They're really cute. These are in a size 2, but I actually made like a lot of errors when I was buying shoes. So I picked up these really freaking cute glossy Mary Janes, like platform Mary Janes. I've wanted a platform Mary Jane for the longest time, and I decided to finally take the plunge and pick up these. They have like a square toe as well, like it's not too strong, it's like a slight square, which I feel like is perfect, because the circle ones sometimes look a little too cutesy, and I hate pointy toes. I don't think they even make Mary Janes in pointy toes. I don't mind it, I just don't think it suits me. But this one's just like a gorgeous glossy platform Mary Jane with a bit more of a squared tip toe. I don't really know what this area is called, but I got this in a size 5 on ASOS, and they're a little bit too big for me, so I might return them and repurchase them in a size smaller, because there's like a gap, and I feel like with heels, when there's a gap at the back, it's really obvious and it just won't be as comfortable. So I feel like I might return them and pick it up in a smaller size, but I'll still show you guys what they look like on. I also picked up these really gorgeous glossy boots. I've been like really into platforms recently, so I've just bought like a whole bunch of platform boots, but I bought this glossy pair, and I think these were actually like the first pair of shoes that I picked up. So I got them in a size 6 because I wasn't sure what my shoe size was, and they're like big for me, but because they're a boot, it's like tied around here, so it doesn't feel like it's big. And sometimes with boots, it's like kind of good to have a little bit more space to move, I think. I'm not too sure. I don't really wear boots that often, but I'm just trying to like kind of get out of my comfort zone. This year I was like really upset when I had COVID, so I was like 2022 is going to be my hot year. I'm just gonna wear really fucking cool shoes and dress really cool. But I did pick up a leather pair, so another pair. This one was in a size 5 because I thought the size 5 would be better, but I got it in like just a normal leather because I was gonna just like return these and then keep the size 5. But now I kind of don't know if I prefer the glossy or the normal leather. I just feel like the glossy is like so much cooler and more edgy, whereas the normal leather is like safe. Like I don't really know which one I want to keep yet, so I'm holding on to both of them until like I make a decision. I may just end up repurchasing this in a size 5 when I repurchase these in a size 4. I'm like so bad with shoe sizes. I feel like I just wing it and just hope for the best, which has not done me any well with these purchases. But I did also pick up these Windsor Smith shoes, and I got these gorgeous platform white boots. I wanted a platform white boot for the longest time, and I just decided to make the plunge on these because I just like really needed it to like make myself feel better. But I don't think this is a white. I think it's called like milk vanilla or something. Is it on the box? I think it's called buttermilk. It just says bean milk on the box, but I think that's buttermilk. So yeah, they're like a little bit more of a creamy, there's like a slight tinge of like cream. It's not pure white, but I think that just makes it a little bit more wearable, and I love them. But this is actually also in a size 6 because when I went, they said that size 6 is the smallest size that Windsor Smith makes, so I had to get it. And of course it was tied around the ankle, so it doesn't like feel like it's big when I'm wearing it, which is kind of why I don't really mind this in a size 6, even though I'm like pretty sure it's 2 sizes too big for me. I don't know, I just really don't know. There's so many hard decisions to make, but this is so gorgeous. I've actually already worn this once and it really hurt my foot because my foot has been like this for the past 2 years. It is not used to any type of heel, so I need to retrain my feet so I can start wearing platform boots, and I just want to feel cute. I did also pick up like a whole bunch of skincare and makeup. I'm gonna just quickly breeze through these because I don't know, there's not much to say. But I picked up a few of these stuff from Yes Style. So I bought the mascara, the Kiss Me mascara, and I think my sister uses this, and she like, I think she saw it on TikTok, and she said it was really good for Asian eyes, so she swears by it, and she was running out, so I decided to just pick us both up a new set. I have yet to try it. I really need to try it, but I think they use the Etude House Dr. Mascara Fixer. There's a sticker covering it, so I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but it looks like it says Dr. Mascara Fixer. But this one's in Volume Up Curl Fix Coating. I think you apply this first and then you go in with the Kiss Me mascara. Apparently it works really well on Asian eyelashes, so I'm gonna give that a shot. I did also pick up the Kiss Me eyeliner. I have been running out of this one for a while now, and it's my favorite eyeliner. Literally, I've just been using this for the past, like, I want to say 5 years. Honestly, such a long time, so I needed to repurchase that because I was running low, and it's one of my favorites. But I also got the Centella Green Level Recovery Cream. I love this stuff. I think it's really good, but my little brother like uses this on the daily. I use it occasionally, but he loves it and he's running out, so I just picked him up a new one. Let's go into the Innisfree stuff. I bought a whole bunch of like new skincare. When I was like self-isolating, I had to like split up the bathroom with my siblings, so I literally had no skincare, and I knew I was gonna run out really fast because all three of us were using it. But my sister like took my shampoo. She recently dyed her hair, so her hair's like harder to maintain, and my hair's pretty like natural. It's kind of repaired itself over the past like 2-3 years. I forgot when I dyed my hair dark, but I was like, sure, whatever, just take it, because I recently brought the green tea fresh shampoo and the conditioner. I actually quite enjoyed it, but I let her take it when I got COVID because I was like, whatever, I can just use generic shampoo. You need to take care of your hair. But this like shampoo is green tea, like scented flavored. I don't really know the right term, but when you wash your hair with it, it makes your hair like feel fresh and minty, so it feels really clean. I don't know if that's like, some people don't like that or if they do like that, but I like it. I think it feels cool. It just makes my hair feel really clean. And then I just like the matching conditioner because I don't know why, I feel like shampoo needs to match, right? But I pretty much like restocked on all of my like skincare that I use. So I picked up some of the Beige Trouble Cleansing Gel, and all three of us, like all me and my siblings, use this, so we go through this really fast. I'm pretty sure we picked up more, and we've already opened, I think we picked up like 4. I think my sister's taking one to camper with her, and my brother reopened a new one. But we restocked on this because we go through it really, really fast. And I pretty much purchased like my whole skincare routine. So let's quickly go through this. I did get this though for my sister because I don't use this, but it's the green tea, it's a green barley peeling toner. My sister uses this, she seems to like it, so I just got that for her. But I repurchased like everything that I use. So let's just do a quick skincare routine. But normally to cleanse, I go in with the Beige Trouble Cleansing Gel, and then I go in with the green tea seed skin, which is like a toner. And then I normally go in with the green tea serum, but I recently purchased that already because I was going to take it to the Gold Coast with me, which I was meant to go on, but then I got COVID. And then next I go in with my green tea essence and lotion, which is pretty much just like an essence. And then finally my green tea seed cream, which is a moisturizer. That's pretty much my whole like skincare routine at the moment. But yeah, I love Innisfree and I go through it way too quickly. So if Innisfree wants to sponsor me, hi. But anyways, that's all for the like skincare and makeup that I picked up. But I did also like get a few things from Starbucks. My little brother worked there over Christmas, so I told him to send me a picture, and then I just brought all the things that I thought were cute. But I just got this like mug. I don't know why, I just thought it was like a cute generic like Starbucks mug, and I wanted it, so I made him pick it up for me. Super cute. But I did also get this one. I'm actually really excited about this one. It's like a tumbler, and it's got that like cool diamante like texture with of course the Starbucks logo, and even the straw matches the texture, which is really cute. I just love the color of this. I love holographic things. I don't know why, I feel like I'm just going through like a purpley blue holographic phase, but I just think it's so pretty. It's like this color palette is so up my alley. I think the first one I saw was like a TikTok tumbler that went viral, which was like the Disney anniversary one, and I thought it was really, really cool. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get it. It's like a bit too big though. I feel like it's just way too big. I think this is their largest size, but it's really cute. And then the last item that I got from Starbucks is actually this really cute double layered glass tumbler. I don't know what it's called. It's like a cup, I'm not sure, but it's got like a really cute yellowy gold glass inside. And then my dad just really liked this one. He said that that was the moon, the sun, and the waves, which I thought was really cute. This was part of their Lunar New Year like tiger collection, and the tiger is so cute. I was like, oh my god, adorable. So I got this for him. It's so cute. I really like it. It's glass. So pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much all the items that I picked up during my self-isolation. I actually was like isolating for a little bit longer because I was really, really sick and I just didn't want to go out. And I feel like I brought most of these things after the 7-day period when I actually could function as a normal human being. But you know what? it's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!